summer vlog. I feel like I've had moments of these in every one of my videos. And it's not even, like most of them that I record, I end up just not even putting in my videos because I'm like, no one wants to hear me talk about that. That's boring. I feel like I've been in my car all day. I had a dog drop off this morning really early, closing in on third trimester. The problems, the sleeping issues are getting more and more challenging. I'm now sleeping with 2 pregnancy pillows. So I'm like in a complete nest. I'm a back sleeper normally, and if you don't know, you're not supposed to sleep on your back after I can't remember how many weeks. And it's just not comfortable anymore. It puts a lot of pressure on your spine. I already have a lot of just general back pain in my life. And so trying to like teach my body to sleep on my side has been very uncomfortable. And then I also have really, really bad heartburn. Anyways, today was, the rest of today though was basically just like gathering stuff for the baby because we are on Facebook Marketplace constantly looking for good deals. I think baby products are insanely overpriced and I don't want to have to compromise like getting the best or safest stuff for my baby just because I can't afford to pay the insane markups. So I have no issue with buying used or actually most of the stuff I picked up today was still new in box. I'm gonna do a whole haul, but I want to wait until after the baby shower. I think I might not because I don't think the shower's for like another month or so. And at that point, I think we're just gonna have way too much stuff. We just keep like knocking things off our registry ourselves, paying used prices instead. So that is what I did today. And now we are going back to the farm to not unload any of this because we're gonna let Ben unload it. The chair's like 200 pounds. You're so weird. You're so weird. What are you doing? Just rooting my hand. What? 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 You want it back? You're so weird. Chunky. We have Brie Pig over here. We have Hagrid and Elvin over here. We have 2 goats over there. We have little Pippin, and Tegu is sunbathing right here. We have Hodor over there. We have, well, you can't really see him. You can't see him at all. Right over there is baby bull cow. And behind him are the Highlands and the donkeys and the ponies. It's like 4:30 in the afternoon. It's so nice. There's a breeze. Everyone's quiet. Everyone's happy. I love it. Hi guys. Did you all come to check on me? I walked outside, ate a grape, immediately started choking on the grape. And I guess all my hacking and coughing called all the chickens in. They were like way out across the pasture out there. I don't know what they were doing out by the pond, but anyways, look, cow. There you go. That goat. Oh my God. That's the goat that someone just dropped off here. And I know why. Oh, and his dad was dropped off a few days later. Now we know why. They never stop making this noise. It's really special. Anyways, we're gonna see what Ben's up to. I just finished doing some work in the nursery, which I couldn't show you because that's going to be a whole video, but you can see how this is going. No more cats or tortoises or dogs.
It's not the prettiest. It's not super level. But...
Oh, well. I mean, yes. No plant-eating animals allowed. You know what's funny? This. We have like a dust dirt hole in the yard, and the peacocks and the chickens all congregate in it and take baths. And that's what that is. And it's not very big, so they have to like bile. So funny. I could have kissed our FedEx driver. Please let this work. If you've been here any length of time, you may have heard me mumbling, complaining about our internet options. To put it in perspective, for the last, I think we're going on 6 years, but this house and the farm before it, our only option was a company named Windstream. Windstream works intermittently every hour, not just like intermittently over the course of, you know, a month or something. Over the course of an hour, it works when it feels like it. They can't do anything to fix it. And it also costs $90 a month. And the max speed I get is typically 4 megabytes download and like 0.3 upload. And so for someone who tries to do a lot on social media, if you understand internet talk, that's horrific. I would say the average internet speeds right now are probably closer to 100 megabytes download and like 20, 30 upload. So to upload a YouTube video takes 2 days. To upload a TikTok, a 30-second TikTok, takes hours. I am both really excited and really nervous because if this doesn't work, that's it. I have no other options. I also don't think I can get a refund, and it's very expensive. So everybody, wish me luck. 8 o'clock on a Monday night. Then worked all day at work. I worked all day here.
Oh.
And my phone looks like it's foggy. That's a little better. Now we are just finished cowboy stuff. Horse stuff. Walked the horse down to Mom's property because she just was one of the rescues that just wasn't able to fight all the other horses here. And so, yeah, wasn't gaining the weight as fast as we wanted her to. So moved her down to Mom's where she can get some more personalized care. And now we are tired. We quit for the day. We're gonna eat dinner, lay in bed on a heating pad. Hope that my acid reflux and heartburn stops. But look at this beautiful sunset. Oh shoot, I gotta go open that gate. Just kidding, cowboy stuff's not done. Yeah. Just kidding, more cowboy stuff, we're not done. Look at it, it's so pretty. It's always prettier on your, not on your phone. It's always prettier in person, but, oh, don't run. We're tired.
Watch out.
Throw that at me.